Howdy everybody. I have officially completed Bulldozer. So here's my newest oh, here's a photo of me in the 3rd grade. That just, makes me laugh. I've completed Bulldozer, which is my little collection of poetry that I just finished. There's 10 poems inside. So not to give any spoilers, but it's pretty sick. So this is free online. Or if you want to send me, I'm trying to see what I look like. I'm holding this up to a mirror. It's a little silly. Send me an email and I can give you a physical copy of it. I don't know why I got on the floor for this, but I guess we're doing a floor thing. If you send me an email, I can give you a physical copy of it for $5, and also shipping if you live somewhere not close by. So that's all about that. Download it. It's called Bulldozer. Send me an email and I can give you the PDF. Rock and roll. Goodbye.